In the previous video, we talked about some network infrastructure concepts. Here we will talk about some additional infrastructure concepts, starting with virtualization. Virtualization is a way of creating virtual versions of a physical resource, like a server. You can create a virtual version of a server and allow multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical machine. So here, for example, you can have a host, which is here, in this case, a Mac computer with a Mac version. And then you have a hypervisor. So the hypervisor is a software that creates virtual machines. And within the hypervisor, you can have multiple virtual machines. So you can have a Linux, you can have a Windows, you can have an Ubuntu, a virtual machine, all within one physical computer. You can have 3 or more different virtual machines. For example, on the Mac computer, this is the hypervisor, is the software that creates and manages the virtual machines. On this one, you have a Windows virtual machine, and it has a memory. It has a base memory here. It has a video memory. It has a hard drive and a few more that you can check within the configurations. And then this is what it looks like. So you have your computer here, but within that, like this is a Mac computer, but then within that, you have a Windows virtual machine running. So here you have a Windows system within the Mac, and you can have multiple of these. So this is virtualization. This is a way of managing your infrastructure. Another way is containerization. So containers are used to package applications into isolated units. You have a technology called Internet of Things, IoT. Internet of Things is a network of interconnected devices like refrigerators, like thermostats, like smartwatches, all those everyday devices equipped with internet connectivity. They form the IoT for Internet of Things. As you can see here, you have the smartwatches, you have the refrigerators, you have the coffee machine, you have the microwave, and all of these devices are now accessible with the internet. So IoT includes smart home devices, wearable devices like the trackers, and each device is connected to the internet and uniquely addressable. So you can reach out to one device in particular. And the security issues here, there is authentication, because think about it, who really authenticates into a washing machine, into a microwave oven? And updates. No one really updates their devices like the washer and dryer that are connected to the internet or the oven. So eventually there is a problem, because with the lack of updates, some new vulnerabilities can arise and cyber criminals can take advantage of those. Additional infrastructure concepts we will talk about, you have industrial control systems and SCADA systems. These are designed to control and automate industrial processes. For example, what controls the traffic lights across an entire city? These are industrial control systems. What controls the baggage claim systems where your baggages roll around within the airports? These are industrial control and SCADA systems. They control industrial processes and they automate them as well. You have real-time operating systems. Real-time operating systems, these are operating systems designed to process data as the data comes in. This is very time sensitive, and this ensures timely responses for critical applications. They always need to be available, and they're very common in self-driven cars, where imagine the car has to brake and there is a timing issue. You need a real-time operating system to work as fast and efficiently as possible. Embedded systems are devices that have a dedicated function and they use a computer system to perform that function. So they are usually embedded into hardware and they perform real-time operating tasks. You will see them in cars, you will see them in MP3 devices, you will see them within phones. They have specific requirements and they are embedded within hardware devices to perform specific tasks.
All right, guys, what did you think of this course? You liked it? Great. We're glad you did. You can follow us on all our social media platforms, including YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget, we also have these awesome Amazon flashcards to help you study. So definitely check out www.cybermook.com to order yours today.